This is a new 2015 BMW X1. The ultimate driving machine. It's powered by all-wheel drive, a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a turbocharger, a panoramic sunroof, electric trunk, heated steering wheel, leather seats, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, a satellite radio, digital audio input. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, rain sensing wipers, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.